All right, second grade, we're looking at our math lesson 161, pages 321 and 322. We're going to go ahead and look at our math facts. We're going to say them together so that you can use them for your page today, because these are the things we've talked about. 1 dozen things equal 12 things. 1 year equals about 52 weeks. Boiling point of water equals 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Freezing point of water equals 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 week equals 7 days. Whoa, 1 minute, I'm losing it. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 year equals 365 days. Now, the next thing that I want to go over is some money. Some money. We've been talking about a couple of different things. Now, we have this coin here. This is called I hope you know it, this is a quarter. What happens when I add another quarter? We count by 25, 50. Another quarter would be 75. Another quarter would be $1. Good. And then we start the pattern over. Again, this is a quarter, so now we have $1.25. So 5 quarters equal $1.25. What if I add, let's see, we're at 5 quarters. Let's add another quarter, $1.50. Let's add another quarter, $1. Let's see, I gotta get my quarter out here, $1.75. And if I were to add another quarter, how much would that be? If I added another quarter, that would be $2. So 8 quarters equals $2. Now, what if I added 4 more quarters and it was 12 quarters? Notice every 4 quarters would be $1. So $1, $2, you're right, $3. Good. Now, I want to go ahead and look at a couple of different things. Remember, when we are rounding, when we're rounding our numbers, here we have the number 68. 68, we're going to look at the number in the ones place, and you will decide 0 through 4 round down, 5 through 9 round up, 8, I have to round up. 68 would be between the numbers 60 and 70, so I would choose 70 because that is the higher number. Let's look at this number, 45. 45, again, let's think where I find 45 on my tens family. 40 and 50, because I could say 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now I look at the number in my ones place, it is 5, and I decide 0 to 4 round down, 5 to 9 round up. 5, I have to round up to 50, so I would have chosen 50. Good job. Now, I also want to look today, we're going to look at our line graph. So, we have been discussing different things about a line graph. Now, line graphs, what they do is they point out they just like to tell us how things are moving, why we have different things. They tell us throughout the day how the temperature might change. So in our graph today, this is going to actually tell us what the temperature started out at the very beginning of the day, and then halfway through the day, how the temperature changed. So graphs will tell us various different measurements. So if you look at your paper there on page 321, it asks us at 7 o'clock, it has a temperature. Let me get my little dots. So the temperature that they have, I grab my dots, they're right here. So the temperature was this temperature. So at 7 o'clock, it was, so here's 7, it was 40 degrees. So on your graph that they had, where it said 7 o'clock, you should have put 40 degrees. Remember, this is your little temperature. At 8 o'clock, you'll notice the temperature was still